Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you just a quick video on how to install Scratch at home. Um, just in case there's a strike, I want you to have the ability to work on your Scratch projects at home if you want to. So what I've done is I've made the links to the Scratch program installer available on the website on Edmodo. So if you log into Edmodo here, you'll see the top post has a link to the Windows version of the installer, which is just called Scratch Installer, and then the Mac version of the installer. So what I'm going to do is, I can't show you the Mac version, but I can show you the Windows version. All you have to do is click on the link. It's going to begin to download, see? Once it completes, just run the installer. You'll have to open up the zip file, maybe double click on the exe or drag it out to the desktop. I'll show you that way. And then run it. Should be pretty easy. You should note here that I also have a link that goes directly to the MIT webpage that has the Scratch downloads available in it. I found that every once in a while I had problems with the MIT website, so I gave you these links to downloads directly on grantcompsci.com. That way, if something goes wrong on grantcompsci.com, you can get it from MIT and vice versa. So you should also know that you will need to have administrator permissions on your Windows computer maybe. So if your computer has a password on it, you might need to have whoever has the administrator password log in before you can install it. Most Windows computers don't come configured that way, so it's not anything you have to worry about. So once this gets done downloading, you'll see here that it's got 5 seconds left. It'll take a minute or two depending on how fast your speed is. You'll see that it's possible, depending on which browser you use, that it's going to say it's not a commonly downloaded file and can be dangerous. If that pops up, click the little right arrow and click Keep. If you're using Firefox or Internet Explorer, that may not happen. If for some reason it won't allow you to keep it, try opening up Internet Explorer and using that, or if that fails, then go to the MIT Scratch webpage, which I'm going to show you right here. You'll see that it's got a link for Mac, a link for Windows, and even a link for Debian Ubuntu, just in case you need that. Okay, so we've downloaded this Scratch installer.zip. Here's Scratch installer 1.4.exe. You can drag that over to the desktop, and then you run it. And it's going to, if you're using Windows 7 or Windows Vista, it'll say, do you want to run this program? Say yes. And then all you have to do is run through and click next every time, basically. You click next here, you click next here, you click install. You give it, I don't know, 20, 30 seconds if that. And click next, and you'll see start Scratch and make a shortcut. Just leave both checked. And there you have Scratch. And that's really all there is to it. It's not any problem. And then all you have to be sure of is that you're saving, you open the Scratch file that you sent to yourself, and that you save it somewhere so that you can access it once you get back to school. So there's everything you should need to know. I hope that you don't have to use this, but just in case you do, it's there for you. Thanks.